Okay, it's Friday the 1st of April, and here is another Ripping Project video diary. Okay, so as I said last time, I don't think Kickstarter crowdfunding is really the way ahead for us. Nothing much more to report on that. I was contacted by more so-called PR companies promising to make me my millions on Kickstarter. But I haven't taken any of them up. I feel they're much the same as the other PR companies. I'm pretty dubious about what they can really do. So as I said, what we'd be doing now is moving on to what actually needs to be done to get the books out. So the first question comes up is Amazon. So obviously Amazon are king of ebooks at the moment. And we need to decide whether we're going to have a 90-day exclusivity agreement with Amazon. There are pros and cons for this. Obviously, there's things like Apple Books and quite a few other e-publishers as well, but Amazon are by far the biggest. I personally can't see why we shouldn't give exclusivity for that period of 90 days. I can't see that it really would do us any harm. So we're going to probably try for that. The other issue is we've now got all sorts of formats for the book. In the good old days, I used something called PageMaker, which I think is long gone now, to put the books out, to lay them out, print them, and then we would print them on good old LaserJets and then take them along to the publishers. So it's a very different world these days. There are several formats for ebooks. There is, blimey, the EPUB format, the Mobi format, which is the Amazon format, a PDF, obviously, and something called K8 as well. Now, I've managed to find some software. It's got a funny name, SynScriv or something like that, which seems to be quite popular with ebookers, and it allows us to put the books together in a format the books a little bit like PageMaker used to, but it's able to output the books in the various e-publishing formats, plus a format that will work for the print on demand. So at the moment it's about getting my head around that. Taking a little bit of investment in time. So setting up the first ebook, the Minds of the Empire ebook, I think will take a little bit longer than the other books, obviously, because it's the first one that we're getting out. But once we've got that template sort of worked out, then I think the other books should move along quite swiftly. I've been reading up a lot about the best way to format the books. Some interesting things have come up. For example, with a traditional book, we'd have a lot of the blurb at the front, copyright, thanks to, all that kind of thing. And that's not what you want for an ebook. For an ebook, you want all of that at the back, because people want to get in and read the books as soon as possible. They don't want to have to wade through a load of introductory blurb. So that's interesting. Lots of little things like that for us to sort out. So that's basically where we're at the moment. So everything is still going ahead as before. Nothing new to report on Kickstarter. We've not taken up any of the PR campaigns. I don't want to spam all my Facebook friends. So I think we're going to take the long-term view on the marketing. So the marketing now will be very much a question of doing it via Amazon and via the ebooks. And now it's a question of formatting all the books and getting them out there. So again, the next bit of the video diary will probably be more about how we're going to format the books and how we're going to market them, specifically with that 90-day exclusivity of Amazon. So have a good weekend, and I'll talk to you all soon. Okay, bye.